Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into how to use Trello's Bookmarklet feature, an essential tool to streamline your workflow and stay organized. First things first. To start using Trello's Bookmarklet, you need to install it. Navigate to Trello's website and find the Bookmarklet feature under More on the top right corner. Drag the Bookmarklet button to your browser's bookmark bar. The reason we're doing this is to have quick and easy access to the feature straight from your browser. Now that we've done that, let's talk about how to use it. Suppose you're browsing the internet and stumble upon something you want to remember or share with your team. Simply click the Trello Bookmarklet in your bookmarks bar. This will open a pop-up window. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Bookmarklet is grabbing the URL and title of the page you're on and preparing to create a new Trello card with this information. Next up, you'll need to choose a board and list where the new card will go. Select the appropriate options from the drop-down menus in the pop-up window. This helps us because it allows you to categorize and organize your bookmarks right from the get-go, saving you time later. Then, you can add any additional notes or information in the description field. You'll also see that the URL of the page you're on has been automatically added to the attachment field. This is why the Bookmarklet is so handy. It does a lot of the work for you. Finally, hit Add, and your new card will be created and added to the chosen board and list. The beauty of this is that you can access this card from anywhere, collaborate with your team, and keep everything tidy and in one place. Let me explain why this matters. In our fast-paced digital lives, it's easy to lose track of important information. Trello's Bookmarklet feature allows you to quickly and easily save, categorize, and share information, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Trello's Bookmarklet feature. Remember, it's all about staying organized and making your digital life a little bit easier. Thanks for tuning in.